Hi and welcome. Martina here with another Sparkle and Shine video for WOW Embossing Powders. Today is a great day because we are having a new release. It's a new Catherine Pooler inspired trio and a single jar also inspired by Catherine Pooler with WOW Embossing Powders. The trio is called Coffee with Catherine, and the colors are called Spice Latte, Cream on Top, and Macchiato, which are amazing coffee or fallish colors, I think. And then there is also this single jar, which is called Cargo. That's the dark one. I am deciding to work with alongside with the cream on top color because I think they will create a nice wood or forest feeling on my card. I have an older Alexandra Renke slimline die, which is creating two different slimline die cuts, which create an amazing forest together. And I decided to heat emboss one of these die cuts. And as I tend to mess around with chunkier powders as the Cargo is, I'm using a piece of packing paper, tissue paper, just to cover my working desk and to keep the mess at the minimum so I can just take the paper away when I'm finished with heat embossing and I have just as little mess as possible. As you can see, I would love to have a bigger jar of the Cargo because I have to go into the powder with my jar a lot to get a, well, not too proper, but pretty nice coverage of the powder on my die cut. And then I will heat set the powder. As always with chunkier powders, I am heat setting it from the back side of the die, and as soon as everything is properly melted, I'm just going over the top to make sure everything is nice and properly, well, molten together. I really like the look of the white die cut on top of my brown die cut, so I just decided to leave it there and glued the darker die cut already on the card base, and I'm now stacking the brighter die cut, the white one, on top of it. I'm using the Tombow Mono Multi Glue, which gives me a very nice tack, which I feel is very helpful to get a nice grab on these, well, slick surfaces when they are heat embossed. To get a more lively effect, I'm tearing up some of the branches of the trees, and then I'm just pressing on my big acrylic block to make sure everything is just set and sits where it should sit. Then I have this piece of paper, which I've shown before. It's just a piece of white WOW embossing cardstock. I've been regularly embossing it with one layer of cream on top. And I've die cut some vintage Alexandra Renke birds from it. And I really love how this white die cuts, the Cargo trees, and the cream on top birds coordinate so well. Then I grabbed an older honey bee design stamp with coordinating dies. It's called Little Birdies. And I think the "a little birdie told me" sentence is perfect to go with that card. I've been stamping it with a gray dye ink, and as always, I've been covering my stamped text with clear embossing powder, and I'm quickly heat setting the powder just to make sure that my sentiment is really clear, crisp, and standing out. It's great to have a die handy for the sentiments because it makes them even more amazing. And then I'm already finishing my card. I'm gluing everything onto it using some foam adhesive tape pieces. And just to have some more sparkle and shine, I'm adding some Alexandra Renke jams. These are self-adhesive ones, which makes it very easy and quick, which I love. And this is the finished card. I really hope you like the process. I hope you like the new Catherine Pooler powders as much as I do. I can't wait to use them more. And I can't wait to see you for another video. I wish you a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.